Imagine standing on the deck of a longship in the middle of winter. The freezing North Sea spray hits your face like shards of glass. You are carrying a heavy oak shield, wearing chainmail armor, and rowing for hours. By all modern medical standards, a Viking's joints should have been destroyed by arthritis and inflammation before the age of 30. The cold, the dampness, the brutal physical labor. It is a recipe for crippled knees and aching backs. Yet, skeletons found by archaeologists tell a different story. Their bones were dense, their joints were smooth. They moved with the agility of wolves until old age. They didn't have pharmacies. They didn't have supplements or painkillers. But they had the cauldron, and inside it, a simmering golden liquid that modern science is only now beginning to understand. Life in ancient Scandinavia was a constant battle against the elements. The damp cold is the worst enemy of your joints. It stiffens the cartilage and inflames the tissues. To survive, the Vikings kept a fire burning day and night in the center of their longhouses. And over that fire hung a massive iron pot. They threw in the parts of the animal that modern people throw away: the knuckles, the marrow bones, the connective tissues, and the feet. This wasn't just food because they were poor. It was medicine. They simmered it for days, extracting every ounce of nutrition. They drank this soup of strength before battle and after long journeys. In their sagas, they speak of eating the strength of the ox. They didn't know the chemistry, but they knew the result. It kept them unbreakable. Today, we don't call it magic. We call it collagen and gelatin. When you simmer bones for a long time, the collagen breaks down into gelatin. This is pure building block material for your own body. Think of your knee cartilage like a wet sponge. As you age, that sponge dries out and cracks. That is the pain you feel. This liquid hydrates that sponge. It provides the exact amino acids, glycine, proline, and arginine, that your body needs to repair damaged tissue. But it goes deeper. Modern science shows that this gelatin also heals the gut lining. And as Hippocrates said, all disease begins in the gut. If your gut is inflamed, your joints will be inflamed. The Vikings fixed the root cause, not just the symptom. Pills cannot do this because they lack the bioavailability of this ancient liquid. Before you rush to the kitchen, you must know there are 3 fatal mistakes people make today. Mistake number 1. Boiling too fast. If you boil it violently, you destroy the delicate collagen structures. It becomes cloudy and bitter. It must barely bubble, a gentle whisper of heat. Mistake number 2. Skimming the fat. That golden layer on top? That is healthy fat, crucial for absorbing the vitamins. Do not throw it away. The Vikings would call you crazy. Mistake number 3. Buying soup bones with no marrow. You need the knuckles, the joints, the parts rich in connective tissue. That is where the gold is hiding. So, how do you make this Viking elixir correctly? Patience is your main ingredient. First, get 2 to 3 pounds of beef marrow bones or knuckles. Roast them in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. This unlocks the flavor and improves the color. Second, place them in a large pot and cover with cold water. Now, the secret trigger: add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This acid helps pull the minerals, calcium and magnesium, out of the bone and into the water. Bring it to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to the absolute lowest setting. Cover it tightly. Now wait. Let it simmer for at least 12 to 24 hours. Yes, a full day. The liquid should turn into a thick, golden jelly when it cools. That wobbly texture means it is full of healing power. Strength isn't just about big muscles. It's about the frame that holds them. The Vikings knew that to be unbreakable on the outside, you must nourish the inside. Stop relying only on pills that mask the pain. Respect the old ways, heal your joints, and reclaim your movement. Drink 1 warm cup every morning, and your knees will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more lost wisdom.